Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on Ionos. First, you'll need to choose a memorable domain name that truly represents your online presence. Next, select an Ionos hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements, whether it's a simple blog or a complex e-commerce store. Once your plan is active, log into your Ionos control panel. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your new website. Ionos offers several ways to build your site. For beginners, the Ionos website builder provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making design simple and fast. Alternatively, you can install popular content management systems such as WordPress with just one click, giving you more advanced customization options. Whichever method you choose, personalize your selected template with your own text, images, and branding to make it truly yours. A great website needs key features. Make sure your site is mobile responsive, ensuring it looks fantastic and functions perfectly on smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Create a professional email address using your new domain name, which adds credibility. Also, implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, to help people find your site more easily through search engines. These steps are crucial for a successful online presence. Before going live, thoroughly preview your website to catch any errors or design inconsistencies. Once you're satisfied, publish your website to make it accessible to the world. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Finally, consistently update your website's content and software. This ensures security, keeps your information current, and maintains a fresh experience for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.